Sunshine, everyone, and today we are going to be playing Minecraft PE, doing my server. Okay, that was just weird. Anyways, Victor Gaming and Beast25225 is helping me with the server. The end server. There we go. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. That's all he has to say?
Yeah. What are you doing, Victor? What are you doing?
No.
Should I ask him? Nah, let him do his own thing. So yeah, this server is the end. If you guys watch this video and you want to join, please do not troll. Please do not break anything. And please don't do nothing like that again. Okay, so me and Beast are recording at the same time.
Wow.
So you might want to watch his videos too. My other video, well, try and check. What was it called again? I think we got trolled. I think the video we got trolled more. Yeah, maybe you should look on that, and then I just put the YouTubers' names on there. Try and check that video. That way I can put the YouTubers' names on there. That way you can check them out. They're all my friends. And then they have two of my friends from last year. And then, yep. What's it? You should call it Endercraft. That's my server name. My server name. That's my server name. Okay. Ooh, what's Corey put in here? Oh, nothing. It's dark in here. Ah! Huh? Beast25225 left the game. Okay. But it's not colorful. Oh. No wonder why I put those thingies on there by my name.
There's no time to hold back. This track, we're made for each other. No problem. You're just setting up a big traffic moment for me.
Okay, so
I am hardened steel. Work together to defeat him.
what is that? Is that MLG glasses? What? Oh, that's an H, but a crooked H. It's more of a messed up H. More of a messed up H. Why? Wow. More of a messed up H. But it's okay. It's fine, though. It's fine. Hello, Ender Shadow Pixels. Hey, my name is not, it's not together. It's spaced up. Oh, never mind. At least he got how he spelled it right. At least he spelled it right. And then here we go, 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 go. Oh, that's just messed up. Oh, he just put Beast25225 left the game in color, but instead it's like darker yellow. It's orange. I'm back. That's messed up. I was uploading. Wait. Oh, so you made the video short. That was some short video. That was a short video you done. Bye. Come back later. Okay, see you later.
See who later?
Oh, my friend.
Who, Victor?
Beast.
Oh. Oh.
And then that's how high this thing's gonna be. Break this obsidian. Okay.
What's going on?
There we go. And there we go. There we go. Okay, that one is taller than that one, but yeah, that's how something, yeah, it kind of go like that. Hey, what's it? Okay, so you guys like it? Okay, I was thinking of putting Enderman in, but it'll be a little rough. I can build an Enderman, but who cares?
That's what I'm trying to do, but I'm coming a long way. People in a long way. How am I supposed to go over there?
Pancake new server. No, I hate it. Okay, these Endermen are starting to creep me out right now. Flying world.
I can't read that. But they were saying I couldn't read it. Is that a cross?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, hell. Man, he races on the road, too? Move. Stop.
Okay, I was just trying
That is one of the hardest races.
There we go. Ah! There we go.
Man, this is just what they doing. See, what they doing is unfair. What they doing is unfair, and I'm not driving fast. It's dumb. See, what they doing is trying to rock people. They just trying to rock people.
Made by
Like they
staff.
playing. They act like they basketball players. They think they basketball
Oh,
players.
no, that's not what I'm trying to do. That's not what I'm trying to do. That is not what I'm trying to do. Put that up right now. There we go.
Stop. And then they trying to hurt some. Man, that's the only reason I'm getting passed up.
Okay, what's this one gonna be? Cops and robbers.
I'm not driving too fast. That's them always doing. They keep doing stuff. Stop.
Nope.
What a way to come up.
And what's this one gonna be? And then the last one, maybe Sky Wars. Sky Wars. I'm guessing Sky Wars.
I'm trying to.
Wanna do Sky Wars or wanna do
Starry Under Shadow.
what?
You have been complaining.
Spleef, yes.
Sorry Under Shadow. You keep hearing me complain about the game.
Okay, so this world is looking a little ugly. You need haste for Spleef. Haste. What's that? What's that? No, I don't need that. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Focus. Oh wow. I broke out of focus.
Oh, okay. Okay, so wait, where am I even gonna put the Ender Dragon at? So no, why am I doing this? Oh, I accidentally hit him. Whoa! Whoa!
Yes.
Weakness.
Level.
I thought you said this was haste.
In the shadow.
Oh my goodness,
In
okay.
the shadow. I'm on the last level.
Get out of my face.
In the shadow.
I know. You on the last level?
I'm about to kick showdown.
Yeah, okay. So, I'm gonna put this. The Ender Dragon will be next. Ouch.
There's tickets for the race on Rumble Trophy.
One more down. Whoa. There we go. The Ender Dragon.
Yeah! Yeah! Look at Lightning now!
Yeah, I've been saving this for a special occasion. Anytime I get a chance to meet you, it's definitely a special occasion. I got a little secret for you. Candace and Stinger, how much you look at me. I was just using them to learn how to beat you. Now, I'm the perfect high-performance custom racer who's going to chase you down.
He's been on a Lightning McQueen's been on a lot of adventures. Not those kind of adventures. Tickets is in front of you.
Oh. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. Check out the other ones in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.